Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Apple Cash into your bank account. Now by default with Apple Cash, when someone sends you money to your Apple Cash, it sits on the Apple Cash app in your wallet app. And unless you transfer it out, it won't get to your bank account. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all, you just have to open your settings in iPhone and you want to scroll down and you will see a section wallet and Apple Pay. Click that, and on this section, as long as Apple Cash is set up, you should see an option under payment cards called Apple Cash. You may have other cards as well, but Apple Cash is what we want to click here. On this page, it's going to show our balance, and for us to transfer money to our bank, we just have to press transfer to bank here. We need to tell it how much we want to transfer from our balance. If you want your whole balance, type in the number you see here or just a different amount here and leave the rest in your Apple Cash, which you could always use to pay for things or send money to people. I'm gonna press next on top right corner. There is two ways you could transfer. There is instant transfer that requires a fee. So if you don't mind paying the fee, you could go ahead and do that. It's about 1%. Or you could do the free option, which takes 1 to 3 business days. I will choose the free option. Now if you don't have a bank account connected, it's going to ask you to type in this information: routing number and account number, which you could find on any check if you have a check from your bank or from your online statements, which you could download from your bank's website. I'm gonna type that information here and press next on top, and it's gonna ask me to do it one more time to confirm, and it's gonna bring me to this page where I have to press transfer on top. Now that my bank has been linked, if your bank was already linked, you skip that step. I'm gonna press transfer now, double click to confirm, and just like that the transfer has been complete and I have taken money from my Apple Cash and transfer it to my bank account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.